Hello and what's up? This is Billy with Lockhart Kicks. Check out this video to the end to see my thoughts overall on this very iconic Jordan 1 sneaker. Peace. Hey, what's up everybody? This is Billy with Lockhart Kicks, bringing you nothing but exclusive kicks. Today we're looking at the Jordan 1. It's the Jordan 1 black toe low top. That's a mouthful, but this is a sneaker that I just recently acquired. So we're gonna check it out, take a look into it. First though, I do want to mention a product that's changed my life as a sneakerhead. This product is Reshoevn8r. It's a overall care and maintenance package that you can get for your sneaker. It cleans your sneaker, it helps protect it. Many times I remember one time I went to the Statue of Liberty, I'm sitting down, I just bought a crispy pair of actually Dunks. They were white and red, and I actually just like went ham with the ketchup, and like it was all over my brand new Jordan 1s, or I'm sorry, my brand new Dunks. So what I was able to do is to bring it right back to life with the Reshoevn8r. So it's bailed me out a number of times. It's helped protect my investment. So click on the link below to check out more information and check out one of the packages. But outside of that, let's get straight to the sneaker. So I'm not sure if many of you have checked it out. This is a system or platform that I've used for a little while, but it's called StockX. And it's something where I was able to submit a bid for the sneaker that I wanted and just kind of sit back, and next thing you know, about a week or so ago, I got a heads up that my bid was accepted. So I was able to cop these sneakers. So let's check them out. So I got super excited, so I already kind of took a look at it. I showed my wife, she was actually excited for a change, so that was really cool. But this is what I purchased. So as I mentioned, this is the Jordan 1 black toe. I was able to, the retail price for this originally when it came out, I think this was originally released earlier this year. And it went for $90. Since then, the market for it is kind of fluctuated. So I was looking at, through StockX, I was looking at costs of around like 125, 130 or so. But I was able to put my bid in for like 85 bucks, and it just took me, a few weeks, and then I was able to secure this for 85. Now overall, this and everybody may know this, but if not, I'm going to enlighten you. So in 1985, Peter Moore was the original architect of the Jordan 1 sneaker, and created this very iconic design. From that design, the colorways have been many and plenty. So you've seen different iterations and different versions of the sneaker. It's crazy. It's pretty crazy to think about it, but in reverse, so like in a few different versions. So you have the bread version where this toe box area is red, and then you have the black along the front. You have white and red transposing. Like it's crazy. There's so many different versions of this sneaker. And for the fact that this one, even though it's a low top, the fact that I was able to snag this one for such a good price was pretty crazy to me, because if the colors were transposed and if this was a mid or a high, the price could easily go up to like $400. So this is a cool way of being able to stunt with something that looks like it's more expensive than what it really ended up being, and on top of that, getting a discount because of the platform that I use. So this is the Air Jordan 1, 1985. I was 3 years old, so I didn't really have a recollection of it. I probably still would have taken it back then, but I'll definitely take this now. So, did you check this sneaker out when it was coming out? If so, leave a message in the comments. Do you use StockX? Also, leave a message. Let me know what you think about it. But that's it for today's show. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what you think. Last but not least, I do want to mention, so Lockhart Kicks, I am a designer also. So like the shirt that I'm wearing, Lockhart Kicks, I have designs for t-shirts, hoodies, you know, a bunch of things, you can name it. So take a look at the link below to check out the different designs, different shirts, hoodies, you know, wife beaters that we have available, and let me know what you think about those. So once again, this is Billy, Lockhart Kicks. Peace.